When upgrading to a new Redmi device, keeping your text messages is crucial. Whether for transactions or agreements, you'll want to preserve them. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to transfer messages from one Redmi to another. Way 1. Transfer text messages from Redmi to Redmi via MobiKin software Swift. Install and launch the software on your computer. Connect both Redmi phones with USB cables. Ensure they're correctly placed as source and destination. Use flip, if needed. Select the items to transfer and click Start Copy. Keep the cables connected until the transfer finishes. Way 2. Transfer messages from Redmi to Redmi via Mi Mover. Open Mi Mover on both phones. On the new phone, tap Recipient, Start Transfer. On the old phone, tap Sender. Scan the QR code or connect to the hotspot. Select Messages and tap Start Transfer. Wait for completion. Way 3. Transfer text messages to a new Redmi via SMS Backup and Restore. Install SMS Backup and Restore on both phones. On the old phone, backup messages to cloud or local storage. On the new phone, tap Restore, sign in, and select the backup. Set as default SMS. Tap Restore and view messages. Way 4. Export SMS from Redmi to Redmi via Smart Transfer. File sharing. Install Smart Transfer on both phones. Grant permissions. On the old phone, tap Send, and on the new, tap Receive. Connect via QR or Wi-Fi. Select SMS. Tap Transfer, and wait for completion.